For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you an avid angler or a seasoned sailor? Do you spend countless hours on the water, searching for that perfect catch or navigating through treacherous waters? /N/N, I'm here to tell you about a product that promised to revolutionize your boating experience. The Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV. But here's what surprised me. First off, let me give you some background on this unit. The Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV is part of Garmin's high-end lineup, boasting a stunning 7-inch touchscreen display and a long list of impressive features. But I'll get to that in a minute. There are many units in the market that claim to provide similar performance and accuracy as the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV, but my experience with this product was quite different. /N/N, but here's what you need to know. For the best price, click the link in the description. When I first got my hands on the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV, I was excited to test its capabilities. The unit comes preloaded with a detailed map of North America, which sounded like a great feature for navigation and finding fishing hotspots. However, when I tried to use it for actual navigation, I found that the GPS signal was consistently weak in areas with heavy tree cover or deep water. But let's get into the nitty-gritty details. The Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV also boasts an impressive list of features, including /N/N chirp sonar for crystal-clear depth imaging. Preloaded with over 10 million acres of detailed lake maps, plus coverage in Canada and Mexico. Dual-channel chirp sonar support. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Compatible with Garmin's Lake Fuji 3 data. Now you may be thinking, isn't that what I'm looking for in a high-end GPS unit? And to some extent, yes. However, the real issue lies in the unit's lack of integration with other devices and its limited compatibility with certain fishing apps. /N/N, but here's what you need to know. For the best price, click the link in the description. In fact, I tried connecting my Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV with some popular fishing apps, but was met with a disappointing result. The unit simply didn't work well with any of them, which made it useless for me as an angler. /N/N, but there's more to the story. One of the biggest concerns I have with the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV is its lack of support and updates from Garmin itself. As a user, you'd expect that the manufacturer would provide regular software updates and support for their products, but it seems like this isn't the case. /N/N, but here's what you need to know. For the best price, click the link in the description. When I reached out to Garmin customer support with some issues I was experiencing with my unit, they seemed unhelpful and unresponsive. It took me multiple attempts to get a response, which made me feel like I was on my own when it came to troubleshooting or resolving any problems. /N/N, but what about the price? You may be thinking that the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV is worth the investment given its features and performance. However, considering its limitations and lack of support, I'd say that there are better options available on the market. And that's why you shouldn't buy the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV. /N/N, but here's what you need to know. For the best price, click the link in the description. In conclusion, while the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 74CV may have some impressive features and a high-end reputation, it simply doesn't live up to its promise. With its limited compatibility, weak GPS signal, and lack of support from Garmin, I'd say that there are better options available for your boating needs. /N/N for the best price on Amazon. Click the link in the description and avoid making the same mistake as me.